He keeps you waiting off back.
Huh?
Like an alarm almost. Like fucking, that's how that thing was. That's it. Fucking. Wonder if you can even hear it on the thing. That ain't no
That was
fucking
a
train.
fucking long fucking.
That ain't no fucking train, man. Fucking shaking too now. Fucking hope I don't see a big fucking wave coming. Or fucking nuclear bomb or something.
Does he know what street your cousin know what street it's on?
I'll ask him then. Ah, fuck, I didn't even record it, man.
I recorded that one.
You did?
Yeah.
Fuck, man, where's that? I don't even know what to say.
Fucking shaking, man.
You see it?
Okay.
Probably going for about an hour, maybe.